Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, in my LS swap TJ, I got this Frankenstein 231. It's made out of a 231 Chevy, 231 Jeep, and 241 parts. It's got the 6-gear planetary, 1.25" chain. Anyways, what this video is about is your speedometer calibration. This is something that a lot of people probably screw up. Now, if you look at your speedometer, if you got this style, you see those numbers. Those numbers correspond to your tooth count on your gear. Oh, you're probably not going to see with this camera. There's a number right there, 39. This one here is a little chewed up. It still works. So you want to line that up at the 5 o'clock position. So like I said, this will go in the 5 o'clock position, meaning this being noon. This can only go on one way, and you don't want to over tighten this piece because you will damage it. And if you damage your Speedo gear, you're not going to be too happy. So all it's got to do is just hold it in place. So snug. Don't refill it so tight that you're going to strip it out. So you can basically see right there the numbers where the tab connects into is at roughly the 5 o'clock position. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.